My name is Theresa, and I'm a clinical dental assistant for Dr. Kinra. My tip of the day is how to rinse the canal system during a root canal procedure. After doctor has done filing the tooth, placed gutta percha, and you've taken a check film x-ray, it's time to rinse the canals. The first thing you'll need to do is remove the gutta percha. Remove each point separately, measuring the length of each one as you go. Next, take a syringe pre-filled with sodium hypochlorite and bend the maxi probe tip gently. This will ensure you don't go too far down into the canal, and it also makes it easier to angle into the access of the tooth. Flush each canal until you no longer see debris coming up and out of the tooth. Be sure to have your HVE tip handy to remove any excess coming up and out of the tooth. Next, you'll take your endo activator and using a 2 to 3 millimeter in and out motion, activate each canal. You'll want to do it for a total of 60 seconds for the tooth. Next, I like to let it sit in there for another minute and disinfect while I get things ready for the end of the procedure. I prepare my obturation units and get an alcohol wipe ready to wipe my instruments, open the paper points, etc. Next, repeat the rinsing process with Erythritol and activate that. Now you're ready to dry and obturate the case. Thank you for watching. You'll learn more tips like this in the workshop with Dr. Kinra.